Hello all. Welcome to English for Today. In this lesson today, we are gonna learn the meaning and usage of used to. Can you tell me what is the meaning of used to in this sentence? This bottle was used to carry water. It means here, make use of something, right? But can you tell me what is the meaning of used to in this particular sentence? I used to carry water in a bottle. It means a habit in the past. Now let's see some more examples of used to. I used to talk a lot in class. I used to be fat. I used to have good handwriting. So used to means something is true in the past, but not now. Have a look at it. I used to play football when I was a kid, but now I only like to sleep. Sending messages in present and past. Today we usually send messages by mobile phone, but in past, we used to send messages by pigeon. Listening to music in present and past. Today we usually listen to music on MP3, but in past we used to listen to music on gramophone. Used to can have 4 different meanings: a past habit, a repeated action in the past, a state in the past, and owning something in the past. Let's see some examples here. He used to smoke. It is a past habit for him. Look at this one. He used to go to the cinema every Sunday. Here it is a repeated action in the past. This one right here. He used to be very lazy when he was a kid. Here it means a state in the past. Finally, we used to have a dog. Here it indicates owning something in the past. Here is a quick test. She used to visit her parents on Sunday. What does it mean here? Repeated actions in the past. Now try this. She used to be good at swimming. Can you tell the meaning? A state in the past. Another one. She used to have a beautiful garden. What does it mean? Owning something in the past. Try this one too. She didn't used to write letters to her mother. What's the meaning? A past habit. So, my dear friends, in today's lesson, we have learned 4 different meanings and usage of used to. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you in the next lesson.